What's up, everybody? Thanks for tuning into another Dark Star Customs channel video. As you can see, the bike is done. So what I'm going to be shooting off today is a quick time-lapse video of me just putting all the final pieces back onto the bike and getting it completed. As you can see, it is done. We are on, guys. I've been telling you guys I didn't want to start the giveaway until I had an opportunity to get the bike finished so you guys can see what you guys are getting. So now you see what you're getting. You guys are getting a sick bagger, guys. 2022 Street Glide, full-on custom with a bent front tire, sweet-ass paint job, all kinds of goodies. If you've been watching the build series, you know what went into it. Now that it's finally complete, I'm going to start the giveaway. So it's on, guys. It is on. All you have to do is head on over to darkstarcustoms.com and you can purchase a hat. There's 3 different entry levels into this giveaway. First entry level is going to be a $50 hat, which will get you 1 entry. The second entry level is going to be a $100 hat that will give you 3 entries into this giveaway for a chance to win. And the third entry level is going to be a $200 hat. That $200 hat will give you 8 chances to win this bike. So once again, 3 chances to win this bike. I had it $50, which gets you 1 chance. I had it $100, which gives you 3 chances to win the bike. And the third level is going to be a $200 hat, which will give you 8 chances to win this gorgeous bike. So somebody's going to be winning this very soon, being parked in their garage, riding into shows and winning shows. Like I said, this is a custom off one show bike. I mean, the paint job is sick. And when you watch this video, you'll see some close-ups of the tank and other parts, and the paint job is absolutely wet. I mean, it is mirror-like finished. It is gorgeous, showroom quality, and all the other goodies that have gone into it. You know what it's all about. You've been watching the series, so if you guys have not already liked, subscribed, or commented, please do so. You guys know what to do. So no further ado, I am going to get this video off started. Like I said, it's going to be a quick time lapse of me just putting it back together. But the most important thing is the anticipation is over. You guys now have an opportunity to win this bike. All you have to do is, like I said, is head over to darkstarcustoms.com and you can purchase a hat at 3 different entry levels. 3 different entry levels give you more opportunity to win this bike by spending more. Like I said, I'm going to go over one more time. Had it $50, 1 chance. I had it $100, it will give you 3 chances, and the $200 hat will give you 8 chances to win the bike. So I'm super stoked, super excited to meet the new winner. I'm going to deliver it right to you guys. That will be one of the final videos. Me delivering it to the winners, getting the reaction, and show you guys who won it, where it went to. And then we'll be off to the next build. A lot of you guys are talking murdered out bike, so I think that might be the next build. I don't know. I'm going to be letting you guys know what's up, what's coming up next, and I want you guys involved. Like I said, I want this to be an interactive channel with you guys having an input on what goes into these bikes and these builds and these giveaways. So it's looking like a murdered out bagger for the next one possibly, but we'll get to that after we get rid of this one. So like I said, guys, head over to darkstarcustoms.com, get yourself a hat, and stay tuned for the video.
Bam! There it is, guys. We are complete. This build is finished. All we're gonna need to do now is throw a little gas in it, make sure the battery's good to go, fire this bad boy up, and it's hat times. We're gonna give you guys a chance to win this thing. Put it in your garage and ride it. So I'm gonna do a quick walk around now that it's complete and show you what's up. This is what you guys are gonna be having an opportunity to win. First off, we'll start up front, or we'll just talk about the paint job. Look at that killer candy burgundy red, fade into black. It's got the red metal flake throughout the black and the red. Up front, we'll start off with the killer fatty front end, which consists of a 180 by 18 tire up front, which is the same as the rear. Got this awesome custom rim going on. We eliminated the dual disc and opted for a 6-piston caliper, which is on the opposite side, with a 13-inch rotor. We cleaned it up with a flush mount axle. We got some killer flush mount LED turn signals here. Eliminated those ugly things that stick out the side. Blacked out LED headlight. I was just telling you a moment ago, got the 6-piston caliper and 13-inch rotor. Chin spoiler. Look at that killer paint job. Up top, what we did was changed out the handlebars and threw some 10-inch rise meat hook ape hanger handlebars. Changed out the grips as well. Threw some 6x5 Polk speakers up front to clean up the sound. The bezels on the gauges now match the paint job with the candy burgundy red. Nighttime they're going to be backlit by LED red instead of that drab orange, brown, or whatever Harley gives you. Put a low profile dash console, pop up gas tank or gas fuel cap rather, pop up fuel cap. Got the cross stitch red seat. Changed out the air cleaner. It's kind of ugly for this killer heavy breathing air cleaner with the clear window. Swapped out those bores for some of these killer bores and rear passenger peg. The brake pedal has also been replaced. Shifter has been replaced on the opposite side, which I'll show you momentarily. Can't see it now, but we threw some, well, actually you'll be able to see the ass. We threw some 4x5 mufflers on the back. The rear end has been changed to a CBO rear fender. The bags have a 5-inch stretch. Side covers are stretched. The rear tire, which you can only see the bottom, you can see a whole lot right now. I'm not gonna get down there, but the rear tire and rim match the front. In a separate video, I'm going to show you that I've put a LED underglow light system on the bike. Once again, replace the floorboards, passenger peg, threw a double shifter on there. Replaced the shifting linkage. Cleaned up this side to look a whole lot nicer. And you guys are going to be getting a custom ride. But guys, it's on. This giveaway is officially on. Like I've been trying to tell you guys, I didn't want to start this thing until this thing was completed. I wanted you guys to see what was up, what you guys are getting. You know, I know you guys love the blue and black bike that I built, but some people just can't picture what something might turn out, and I wanted to do a complete build series and give it away at the end. So this is it, guys. This is one badass ride. I can't wait to fire it up. Get ready to give it away. Meet the winner. Fly out to you guys. This whole thing is going to be live, man. So whoever wins it, I'm going to be bringing it out to you personally. You're going to be part of the next video, or the final video, actually, of this build series giveaway. So everyone knows who won it, where it went to, and we'll be off to the next build. I know a lot of you guys are talking about a murdered out black bike, so that might be the next build. Stay tuned, guys. I'm super stoked. We're done. We're finished. It's on. It is showtime. It's giveaway time, guys. So the hats are going to be coming up for sale, and you guys have an opportunity to enter.